Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This video is brought to you by physicsumar schools and colleges. In this lesson, we will discuss past physics paper 2018. For examination, the revision of previous 5-year papers are very essential. You students must be read, write and learn with it. Let's start. This paper consists of 3 sections A, B and C. Section B, question 2 included 15 parts. Each part carry 3 marks and you students must be attempt any 11 parts. Your answer should not exceed 3 to 4 lines. But keep in mind, if any diagrammatical structure included must be drawn in your paper. Section C included 3 questions, each questions containing 2 parts, and you must be attempt any 2 questions in your paper. Part first, write down any 3 properties of longitudinal waves and transverse waves. It is a very simple questions. Just you can write 3 properties. No need to explain. First, both waves are mechanical waves. Means it required any medium such as solid, liquid and gaseous. These are 3 medium by which mechanical waves can be transmitted from one place to another. Second, both waves having common characteristics such as frequency, velocity, amplitude and wavelength. Now, according to the definitions of transverse waves and longitudinal waves, the particles of the medium are vibrated perpendicular to the directions of propagated waves. While the longitudinal waves, the particles of the medium vibrated parallel to the directions of propagated waves. One is perpendicular, the second one that is parallel. The perpendicular means this is the transverse waves, and the transverse waves execute up and down, while the longitudinal waves are parallel to be propagated. Means this is the 2 regions. The upper regions is known as crust, the lower regions is known as trough. In longitudinal waves, 2 regions, one is known as compression and the second one that is known as rarefactions. So we will discuss the common properties like frequency, wavelength, speed and amplitude. First, the common property which is wavelength. So wavelength is actually the distance between 2 consecutive proper points. Proper points means the distance between 2 consecutive crust or trough is known as wavelength. While also for compression waves, this is compression regions and this is also the compression regions. From these 2 points, the distance is known as wavelength. Frequency, the number of vibrations. These are the number of vibrations which passes through a time at 1 second, that is known as frequency. You can also mention some example such as waves produced in a compressed string, sound waves, water waves, waves in ropes are also some example. Third property, both waves are energy carriers. Means these waves carry energy energy from one place to another, like sound energy, light energy, heat energy, which can be transmitted from one place to another. So, this is only the explanations for third property, means the waves carry energy from one place to another. No need to write in your paper. Now we will discuss the next questions